I tried doing some cable management under my desk, but the cables keep falling down even though I wrapped them up. So I got this NOROCME cable management system. This thing looks pretty nice. It's got a lot of stuff in here that should help me hold these cables up and keep them out of the way. Alright, I got the cables loose there, and I'm going to go ahead and reattach them using some of these cool connectors that came in this kit. Alright, these look pretty cool here. I'm going to go ahead and give these a try. Yeah, these look pretty nice up here. They just stick on here, and then they can hold the cord straight like that. So these things do a really good job. Those look nice. Alright, I got these here. They look like there's some big clips here that you can put a few wires in, and then you just stick them to the desk. They're pretty nice. They got like a track in here, and then you just push it. I guess you push it here like this to open it, and then you can put your wires in there. So yeah, these look pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and give these a try and see what they look like. Those clips look like a cool way to arrange things. So yeah, those are pretty cool. I want to try one of these. These things look really cool. I got a cable hanging down on my desk here that I like to access, so it would be nice to be able to clip it back there. So we'll go ahead and try this one. Alright, so that one worked really good. I just got it stuck back in there and then attach these two cables to it. And then I can just pull these cables up here when I need them. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but it works. That's an HDMI cable, so it's kind of thick, but the USB cable works just great. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I had one of them that I put in the wrong place and I didn't like it, and I took it off and it lost its stickiness. So I'll have to see if there's a way that I can get some double stick tape or something to reuse it. But yeah, those things are pretty cool. Okay, so here's the three I tried. I tried this one that's got the opposite hooks, and that's pretty cool. And then I tried this one. Some of them have rows in them and some are flat. And then I tried this one. Let's see here. I haven't tried these yet. I want to try these. These are more for individual cables. So it looks like it's just an individual hook there. So we'll try these. These look pretty cool. Alright, the other ones I'm going to try is the sticky Velcro, and we'll see how they do. Alright, so I use the little clips here. So those are pretty nice. And then I use the Velcro here. I think these are my favorite so far. The Velcro ones are really nice. They can hold the big wires up there really good. Alright, now I'm just going to try some old-fashioned Velcro strips here. Those are always good to have. Okay, here's the Velcro. It worked good for this long cable for the speakers. It seemed to hold it up right there out of the way because there wasn't really any other way to attach it because it's kind of got a long run and I don't want to pull on it too much because it will move the speaker to where I don't want it. But yeah, that's pretty nice. So good old-fashioned Velcro right here and right there. So yeah, that's a pretty cool little kit. It's got all this stuff up here. There is that one hanging down there, so I'll go ahead and grab a little piece to clip that up out of the way. That's a small wire, so one of these little clips would probably work good. Okay, and then there's the cord wrap there. That's pretty nice. Put that on there to clean that area up back there. So yeah, this did a pretty good job. Those cables that were hanging down, now they're all strapped up in there and out of the way. And from a normal height, you can't see anything. So that looks really nice. So yeah, this is a pretty nice kit. I used a little bit of everything. I used the cord covers there to tidy up. I used the zip ties there with these stickies here. So that was pretty cool on the standing desk. And I didn't use this big roll of Velcro, but I did use some of these little pieces of Velcro. And then I used these little Velcros with the sticky things there. The only one I really had issues with, these were a little bit hard for me to get back there behind the desk, and if you don't put it on right, you'll lose the sticky, so the desk may have been dusty, so you want to make sure you wipe your desk off. I'll have to try and find some double stick tape or something so that I can use these. So those are the only ones I had trouble with, and that's because I tried to put them on the back of the desk. Tried to put them back here, maybe this area was dusty, but I did get one of them to stick there. So that might be an issue. If you have an issue, you want to wipe your back of your desk really good and get the dust off so you don't have the same issue I did. But yeah, all in all, this is a really nice little cord management kit. Gives you a little bit of everything here. And it is really nice to not have those cords hanging down there anymore. So that's pretty cool.